So I mentioned in the last video how I should talk about this with if statements. So we had a while loop inside of a while loop, and it's called nested while statements. So what we're going to do now is we can get rid of all this, and then let's change A to like 7 and B to 8. So what I meant by it's basically the same thing. So if A equals 7, then you can also put an if statement inside of here. So if A equals 7, and then if 8 equals, B equals 8, then let's print out both equal the right number. So if you run this, then you'll see both equal the right number because A equals 7, which we asked here, and then B equals 8, so both equal the right number. And then if if B doesn't equal the right number, then we can do else. So this else, since it's inside of here, it's after this, it's inside of here, and it's after this if. So this else is for this if. So if this is not true, then it's going to do this. We're just going to print out B is not right. So then you can see we change B to 9. Then we're going to get B is not right because A is still equal to 7, but B is not equal to 8, so it does this else. And then what we can do now is we can type else. So this else, since it's outside of this if statement, this else is for this if. So if this one is not true, then it's going to do what's in here. And inside it, we can also put an if statement. So if B equals 8, then we're going to print out A is not right. So A is not going to be 7, but B is going to be 8. And then we'll just put else, and we'll print out neither is right. So as you can see, if we change B back to 8, and you run that, then you get B is not right, or you get both equal the right number. And then if you change B to 9, then you will get B is not right, right here. Okay, so change that back to 8. If we change A to 8, so it's not 7, and you run that, then you get A is not right because B is equal to 8, but A was not equal to 7, so A is not right. If you change B to 9, so it's not 8, you run that, and you get neither is right. So that's how you can use nested if statements, and you can nest multiple inside of each other. So like you don't have to stop at 2, you can put more inside of them. And also you don't need else statements, so if you just comment that out, it just won't do anything if that's not true. So that's it for this video. If you like it, like the video. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions for what I should cover next, leave a comment. If you didn't understand something, please leave a comment so I can go over it again.